Good morning, students. Welcome to Sivaji Group Institutions online classes. Students, this is our maths class, and we are doing chapter 5. And the chapter name is decimals. Okay, students. So we again start our next exercise 5B. Okay. So open your book. Students, open your book and open page number 83. Page number 83. Exercise 5B. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Okay. We have to change millimeter into centimeter, centimeter into meter, meter into millimeter, and so, question number 1. 4 millimeter is equal to change into centimeter. 4 millimeter change to centimeter. So, students, as we know, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. Okay. When we change millimeter into centimeter, so we divide by 10. 4 upon 10 centimeter. 4 upon 10 centimeter is equal to 0.4 centimeter. Right answer is 0.4 centimeter. 4 millimeter is equal to 0.4 centimeter. Okay. Question number 2. Question number 2 is same as question number 1. 9 millimeter. 9 millimeter change into centimeter. 9 millimeter change into centimeter. So millimeter change into centimeter, so we divide 9 upon 10 is equal to 0.9. 0.9 centimeter is the right answer. 0.9 centimeter. Okay. Question number 3. 26 millimeter. We divide 26 by 10. So we get the answer 2.6 millimeter. Okay. 2.6 centimeter. Question number 4. Question number 4. 6 centimeter, 5 millimeter. 6 centimeter, 5 millimeter. And we have to change centimeter. Okay. This 6 centimeter and 5 millimeter change into centimeter. So first we have all the units. First we have to change all the units in all the units same. Okay. And this is 6 centimeter and 5 millimeter. It means all the units are different. So first we convert the units same. 6 centimeter and 5 millimeter. So we 6 centimeter plus 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter change into centimeter. So we divide 5 by 10. 5 upon 10 centimeter is equal to 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter plus 5 upon 10 centimeter. 5 upon 10 centimeter is equal to 0.5 centimeter. Now the unit is same. Now the unit is same. So we can add both the units. 6 plus 0.5 centimeter is equal to 6.5 centimeter. 6.5 centimeter is the right answer. 6 centimeter 5 millimeter is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Understood? 6.5 centimeter. Question number 5. Students, question number 5. 16 centimeter is equal to 16 centimeter change into meter. As you know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. When we change the centimeter into meter, then we divide centimeter by 100. So 16 divided by 100. 16 centimeter is equal to 16 centimeter is equal to 16 divided by 100 meter. Okay, because centimeter is the greater unit, sorry, smaller unit, and meter is the greater unit. Okay, so 16 divided by 100 is equal to 0.16 meter. 0.16 meter. 16 centimeter is equal to 0.16 meter. Understood? Next, question number 8. Question number 8. Question number 8 is 5 meter 12 centimeter change into meter. 5 meter 12 centimeter change into meter. Now both the units are different, so first change the unit meter and centimeter. So and we have to find the answer in meter, so we change this centimeter into meter. Okay, 5 meter plus 12 centimeter is equal to 12 upon 100 meter. 12 upon 100 meter is equal to 5 meter plus 12 upon 100 meter. 5 meter plus 12 upon 100 is equal to 0.12 meter. Now the units are same, so add the 5.12 meter. 5.12 meter is the right answer. 5.12 meter is the right answer. Okay. Next, question number 11. Question number 11. Question number 11. 418 meter. 418 meter change into kilometer. 418 meter change into kilometer. So students, as we know, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Kilometer is a bigger unit and meter is a smaller unit. So when we change kilometer into meter, so we multiply by 1000, and when we change meter into kilometer, so we divide by 1000. 418 meter is equal to 418 upon 1000 kilometer. 418 upon 1000 kilometer. Now divide by 1000. 0.418 kilometer. So the answer is 0.418 kilometer. This is the right answer. Okay. Question number 12. Question number 12. Question number 12 is 8 kilometer 72 meter. 8 kilometer 72 meter change into kilometer. Change into kilometer. So both the units are different. So first we change meter into kilometer. Why? Because we have to find the answer in kilometer. Okay. 8 kilometer plus 72 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. When we change meter into kilometer, so we divide by 1000. 72 upon 1000 kilometer. Here both the units are same. So we can eat. So we can add both the units. 8 plus 72 upon 1000. 8 plus 8 kilometer plus 72 upon 1000 kilometer. Now 72 upon 1000 is equal to 0.072 kilometer. 0.072 kilometer. Now add the numbers. 8 plus 8.072 kilometer. 8.072 kilometer is the right answer. 8.072 kilometer is the right answer. Understood? Next, question number 17. Question number 17. Kilogram changed into gram. The gram changed into kilogram. As we know, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, and 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. Okay. So, question number 17. 201 kg. 21 kilogram. 792 gram. And we have to change these units into kilogram. So this one in gram, so we have to change this unit into kilogram because we have to find the answer in kilogram. So 21 kg plus 792 gram, okay, is changed into kilogram upon 1000 kilogram. 792 grams is equal to 792 upon 1000 kilogram. Okay. 21 kg plus, when we divide 792 by 1000, 0.792 kilogram. 0.792 kilogram. Now add 21.792 kilograms. And the answer is 21.792. 21.792 kilogram is the right answer. Okay. 21.792 kilogram. Okay. Part B, fill in the blank. Part B. Question number 1, 8.5 centimeter. 8.5 centimeter. Okay. So we have to find the answer in centimeter and millimeter. We have to find the answer in centimeter and millimeter. Okay. So 8 millimeter, 8 centimeter and 5 millimeter. 8 centimeter and 5 millimeter. How? When we change 8 centimeter plus 5 millimeter is equal to 5 upon 10 centimeter. 8.5 centimeter. Okay. The expanded form of 8.5 centimeter is equal to 8 centimeter 5 millimeter. Okay. Understood? So students, all the questions of part B are same as question number 1. Okay. So rest all the questions do yourself and your exercise 5B is finished. So enough for today. We will start next exercise in our next term. Okay. So now write down the homework. Complete exercise complete exercise 5b. Complete exercise 5b. Okay. Complete exercise 5b.